How to change your last name on Messenger Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your last name on Messenger Lite. First thing, go to Messenger Lite and now click here, settings icon in the top corner, and click this one, switch no switch icon, click here, account settings, and then click personal information, and now click name. And here you can change your last name, just type anything you want, and after you change it, click here review change. And that's how to change your last name on Messenger Lite, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.